Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Mackenzie and welcome to a Disney World travel day vlog. My sister and I are going to be heading to Disney World for a little sister trip, weekend trip, and we both could not be more excited. We've grown up going to Disney World together with our family, and it's honestly just our favorite place to go and just spend quality time together. So we're both really thankful that we're able to take this trip and spend some time together, just have a weekend in our favorite place. And I honestly cannot believe this trip is already here. So tomorrow is technically our travel day, but I just wanted to pop on and introduce the vlog, introduce this trip to you guys because we have a very early flight tomorrow. I think our flight leaves at 7 a.m., but we do have a little bit of a drive to the airport. So I think we're gonna be waking up at like 3 a.m., maybe 2:45, depending on how we're feeling. But it's okay because we're going to Disney World. And so waking up early, sleep doesn't really matter because in a couple hours, we will be heading to Disney World. We will be in Disney World, which is absolutely crazy. And I'm so excited to take this trip with Madison. So excited to share this trip with you guys as well. We're gonna go ahead and do the last minute things. I'm gonna get the suitcases in the car. We're gonna charge up all the things that need to be charged. And then we're gonna be heading to Disney World. So sit back, relax. Welcome to a Disney World travel day. And I will be checking in with you guys when we are headed to the airport bright and early tomorrow. If you think you're seeing double, it's because you are. We have made it to the airport. We are through security. A little bit of a stressful morning getting here, but just a little bit. But I'm joined with my sister, Madison. Madison, welcome to the vlog.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. We have our Starbucks here. We have our cute Disney cup sleeves from Little Things with Sam on. We are just ready to have a morning. Madison, what'd you get for your coffee?
I got my usual, a white chocolate iced mocha with no whipped cream.
No whipped cream.
Grande this time, not a venti. I usually go for venti.
She usually gets a huge one and never drinks it all. But I have my ice cream tea, cute little Valentine's cup sleeve, like I said. And we also got a chocolate croissant to split because we need some fuel. It is currently 6 in the morning. Our flight starts boarding in about 20 minutes. So we're just gonna sit, talk about what we're excited for about this trip. We are matching. We've already gotten a lot of conversations in the airport with it. And
a lot of hiya pals.
A lot of hiya pals, a lot of see you real soon because that's what it says on the back. But we are gonna be heading to Disney World in about 20 minutes, which, can you believe it?
Doesn't feel real yet.
No.
I think it's because I'm still a little tired.
Yeah, we're both still, we woke up at what time?
2:45?
Yeah, 2:45. Alarm was set for 3, but we just kept waking up because you got that Disney adrenaline going, you know?
The
like
nerves.
We're here. Now, I don't know about nerves.
Well, like nerves.
Getting
like,
to the airport.
Yeah, get it going. And because once you're here, you're fine.
You're here and we're gonna be on our way to Disney. So we're just gonna hang out, talk about this trip, get excited. We have so many fun things we're doing today. Checking into Caribbean Beach, which we haven't stayed in
For a long time.
for a very long time, since before they did construction and renovated the lobby and everything. So we're really excited about that. But we are going to just sit back, relax, get ready for our flight to Orlando, and we will see you guys when we make it there.
We'll see you real soon.
All right, see you in Orlando.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Orlando International Airport for the local time is 7:22 a.m.
We made it. We made it to Orlando.
Finally. So
So
excited.
we had some delays, but we're here. We're excited.
All that matters.
That's all that matters.
We're
We
here.
made it here. We got the hotel behind us. We have the beautiful Orlando airport carpet here, and we are about to head and catch our Uber so we can head to our resort. I am feeling so many emotions. I'm so happy.
I feel like it's not hitting me yet. but
What? We're here.
I feel like it does this every time until we pass the sign and we're in the Disney
Yeah.
bubble.
Well, until maybe I have a resort mug in my hand, then it's vacation. So
True.
let's go ahead and catch an Uber, and we will head to Caribbean Beach. I can't believe we're here. I'll take this. Hello, we have made it to Caribbean Beach. I have my mic out because it is very loud in here. Resort mugs were acquired. The cast member helped me pick my color because they asked me, what color do you want? And I couldn't even speak. I was too excited and they chose purple for me. So here we are. We also picked up some pin packs already that we're gonna be opening later. It is currently 1 p.m. Our room is not yet ready yet because we did make a request for a specific section. So hopefully that'll be ready soon. We went ahead and ordered lunch because we are starving. We haven't eaten since like our chocolate croissant that we split this morning, but I'm so happy to be here. I am loving Caribbean Beach. Like the vibes are immaculate. And this Coke Zero, I didn't get a Diet Coke. I got a Coke Zero just to mix it up this time. Plenty of Disney Diet Cokes will be had, but I'm so excited. This is just the best travel day. I'm having so much fun. So happy to be here. So ready to eat. Lunch is served. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh, I'm so excited. So you got the pulled pork nachos?
Yes.
And I got the chicken bowl. We actually got it to like eat here, so there's some real silverware. The plate is hot. Be careful. But we are gonna try this. This looks so good. All right, should I pour the sauce on? Should I just commit? We have a little sauce here.
Take a bite of the sauce first. See what it is.
Oh no, I'm just going for it.
You're just gonna commit?
Yep.
She's committing.
This is really good. I'm glad I got this. I was between this and the classic chicken tenders. This is a little more fresh. We're gonna be eating around the world later in Epcot. Stay tuned for that vlog, but I wanted something a little light. This is really good. The chicken's so good. Rice is good. It's good. Anything could be good for me right now because it's travel day and I'm so happy to be here. Madison said her nachos are good. She said it's nice and fresh. Hit the spot. Just what you needed when we haven't eaten anything.
It's hitting very nicely.
They look really good. Oh my gosh.
Everything is fresh on here. Fresh avocado, fresh green onions. The pulled pork is delicious.
First impression of Caribbean Beach, one word. Ready and go.
Vacation.
Tropical.
I think
That's all we got.
I think that's what my brain was going for.
Tropical vacation. Put them together. That's where we're at. All right, it's a little bit later, like 20 minutes. We decided to go up to the front desk and we had a request for the Jamaica section and we just said, you know what, we don't care what section we're in. We just want to get in the room, get settled. There's a bird chirping. You can hear it. Not even chirping. That's not a nice noise. But we had the most amazing front desk cast member named Lisa who was like, you know, I have a room that is really good. It's really close to the lobby, really close to both Skyliners, kind of in the middle. And that's where we're heading now. We're gonna be in Aruba. We're on the second floor. We're really close to the Riviera and really close to the bridge that takes you to the main lobby area. So can't wait to see our room. Can't wait to get settled in. We have located our building. There is the Riviera Skyliner. This is our building. It is perfect. I'm also digging the pink and purple vibes. It's giving Daisy Duck in the best way. So we're gonna find our room, get settled in. Madison. Here is our view out the window. Here is our room here. 5262. Oh, okay. Hold please. Okay, we have gotten into our room now. 5262. Beautiful view in front of me. We're gonna go ahead and scan in. I got this card. Thank goodness we did because Madison's Magic Band is not working. But here we go. Let's see our room. Wawa! Caribbean Beach! So here is an overview of the room. Beautiful big window here, AC unit. But I like the ledge. We can put some stuff on this ledge. That's good ledge space. Rest on the ledge. Stuff on the ledge.
If it rains, we can put our shoes on the ledge.
Oh, we're starting to rhyme a little bit. We gotta break that up. Little table here with a mirror. Hello, how are y'all? We're gonna turn this way. We do have a 2 queen bed, pull down bed situation. Love it. Plenty of storage. Love a nice bench here. We have some drawers here. Oh, that is not a drawer. That is a fridge, beverage cooler, excuse me. Perfect. I like how it's hidden like that too. Plenty of chargers here, USB, regular plugs. We have the beautiful resort TV on because how could you not? There's the drawers. Found the drawers. They're big, they're huge. And then this right here pulls down and there's storage underneath it as well, but it's just a little bed. Mickey's sleeping. That is so cute. Oh, I simply cannot put it up by myself. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. All right, moving on. We have our 2 beds here. Madison, which bed are you taking?
Probably this one.
Madison is a sleep closer to the door person, and I'm a sleep closer to the bathroom getting ready situation. So then we're gonna move this way. We have a little coffee station over here. But look at this, Madison. These are coming home with you, free coffee. And then here's the bathroom. They have these big sliding doors, which is great. I love the privacy. Bathrooms, a little dated still, Caribbean Beach, but that's okay. We still love you. We're having a great time. Double sinks, which is awesome. Lots of storage space here. Lots of hanging space in here too for shirts, whatever we have to hang up. I don't really know. Do you have anything to hang up? Not really? No. Okay, well, just space.
If you want it, it's
if you needed it, it's here. And here I am again. Hello. We have like pillows, blankets, a steam iron up there, a safe, an ironing board if you want to iron. Oh, full length mirror. Thank you, Madison. Fit checks of the day. Travel day fit. We're matching, remember? These are still the same shirts. And then the actual bathrooms in here, just a shower, toilet. Like the ledge here, we can put more stuff. Lots of ledges in this room, that's great. But that is pretty much the overview of the room. I like it.
And we get a little crab.
Oh, and then we do have a towel crab, which is great. I think the room is nice. I think the bedroom area is definitely nicer than the bathroom area. I was a little worried about it being dated. You know, we've been staying at Pop Century. The rooms are beautiful and renovated, but there's a lot of space in this room.
Yeah, it's very
Like
spacious.
even having the pull down, like this is gonna be great for us to sit on, even though it's just us two.
We're just like,
Oh yeah, after a long part. Oh, yeah,
there
that,
goes my watch.
that sounded not good. Anyway, I think we're gonna unpack a little bit, settle into the room. I'll kind of show you guys that, and we're just so happy to be here.
Finally.
I'm so happy we got a room. That was amazing.
It feels real now.
Yeah, now it feels real. With this on,
Yes.
we watch it at home, but it's not the same as
It's not the
when-
same.
So let's get unpacked. I'm so happy to be at Caribbean Beach. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. And this view, let me just show you guys one more time. This view, like we're gonna wake up to that every day. We're just gonna pull the curtains back and see the water, see Caribbean Beach. That's the main lobby right across from there, so we're super close. I just love it. Overall, feeling really good, feeling really ready. Let's get settled into the room. Okay, we are settled in the room.
We are.
It's very nice to have a ceiling fan. That's all I want to say.
That's
you can't
so
see
nice.
the ceiling
Love
fan,
it.
but it's
Love
there.
it. I love it.
Yeah, we're getting a cool breeze. We have the windows open because it's kind of dark without the windows, I think. That's the only really light is right here. But that's okay because we got beautiful windows and
It's like we're in a tavern, like on a pirate ship.
we're in a pirate ship. We are.
We are in a pirate ship.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But we have pin packs. We have the new Hidden Disney packs for 2026. We're gonna open them together to just kick off our travel day. Well, the travel day has already happened. We're kind of ending the travel day with a pin unboxing.
Hopefully something good.
Hopefully something good. Hopefully
If not, then we have plenty of stuff to trade with.
plenty of stuff to trade with. So I'm gonna go first. I'll pull one. You
Then
pull
I'll pull
one.
Okay.
Okay.
Should we just open them and then
Yeah.
keep them
Let's
shut?
open it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Okay.
What are you hoping to get? Where do you?
Oh yeah, that's it. Any of the buses are super cute.
Buses
Any
are
of the
cute.
buses, really anything. I'm good with anything. I honestly, I'm just happy to be here. This feels like a bus.
Love the positivity.
This feels like a bus though. So ready? 1, 2, 3. A Tinkerbell bus! That's
Cute.
cute. I love the Tinkerbell
cute.
bus. That's very cute. Okay, got a bus. Winner.
Okay. I'm trying to feel for the Mickey.
So you can have it to the back.
Okay. I don't know if this is gonna.
Why
be,
am I nervous?
I don't know. It's not gonna be 1, 2, 3.
It's Castle. The wilderness
Oh,
lodge. That's so cute. Wait,
The
let me
little
show.
bears on it.
It's very, very cute.
It's very cute.
Okay.
I'm punny. I'm happy.
All right, here we go.
Okay. 1,
Hold on, I don't know what this is. Okay, it's not another bus.
1, 2, 3.
3. Ah, Chip! Winter Chip. Look at him. I love the chipmunks. I am just a chipmunk girly.
Look at him.
I love it. Okay, this is a good pack.
I'm just happy that we
To
didn't
be
get
here.
this- that and not to have this same pack.
The same pack, yeah. We were worried. So
Because that usually happens with us, is that we get the same pack.
we do get a lot of stuff. Okay.
Okay.
What does it feel like?
It feels like ears.
Okay. Oh, I want the star towards ears so bad. If you pull them,
Okay.
we're traded.
Okay. Something good for it. Okay. To the camera. To us.
Oh, Jasmine. Ththose are so cute.
Those are cute.
Oh, I love the ears. Okay, I want some ears now too.
Those cute.
Those are very cute. Okay, good haul.
Good haul.
We got a good haul. We
Not
had a
bad.
good pin unboxing. Good travel day.
Good, very good travel day.
What are your thoughts? Okay, I know I asked you earlier your one-word thoughts on Caribbean
Uh-huh.
Beach. What are your thoughts like in more words now?
More words? Very happy to be here.
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful. I know you haven't been here in such a long time.
Yeah.
But I don't remember it.
Yeah, the lobby was incredible.
Lobby looks great. Lobby looks fantastic.
Food was good.
Smells great.
Every cast member we've interacted with
Has been so nice.
has been so great. I just think too, like being here and getting to interact with all the cast members, like it makes Disney so magical because they're so nice and welcoming and friendly and warm, and just like other people too. Like just like kind of chatting with people. We're just happy to be here. Happy to have a resort mug. These resort mugs, I didn't love them at first. They're growing on me a little bit because I'm happy to be here. Any last travel day thoughts?
No, let's get to the parks.
Yeah, so we're actually going to end the travel day vlog here because we are heading to Epcot for a full afternoon and night at Epcot Flower and Garden. We have some lightning lanes, some single pass, multi-pass. We're excited. So thank you guys so much for coming along with us on this travel day. Be sure to subscribe down below if you're not already because we have more Disney vlogs coming so soon. And we will see you guys in the next one. Wow!